Step into an immersive journey through Athena's state-of-the-art platform, an innovative space where fintech advancements thrive. At Athena, our core principle is simple yet powerful: lease smart, grow smart. Let's embark on a comprehensive exploration of how to manage interim interest on loans in Athena. Throughout this session, consider us your reliable guide as we navigate interim interest on loans in Athena. Let's dive straight in. By specifying the periodic payment start date different from the contract start date, you can have two scenarios. Case 1, where the interim interest needs to be recovered from the customer, and Case 2, where the interim interest needs to be given back to the customer. To create the loan, under Contracts, click on the New Contracts button. Select Loan. Enter the customer, bill to, and ship to addresses default from party addresses. Current date defaults as the contract start date. Enter the term in months. Enter collateral details: the vendor, type of equipment, asset cost, and description. If the periodic payment start date is more than a month after the contract start date, interim interest between the contract start date and the invoice period start date is added to the loan principal, that is, capitalized to compute the payment amount. Enter the interest rate and payment start date. Review the interim interest calculations and payment amount derived. On the contract details page, you can review the contract start date, payment start date, and calculations. Review the payment details generated, including capitalization. Review the amortization schedule, including interim interest capitalized. If the invoice payment start date is before the contract start date, the interim interest between the invoice period start date and contract start date is reduced from the loan principal, that is, credited, to compute the payment amount. Enter the interest rate and payment start date. Review the interim interest calculations and payment amount derived. On the contract details page, you can review the contract start date, payment start date, and calculations. Review the payment details generated, including credit. Review the amortization schedule, including interim interest credit. We sincerely appreciate your interest in Athena's state-of-the-art platform. If you have any questions or need further assistance at any point, please feel free to reach out to us. We're here to support you every step of the way. Remember, lease smart, grow smart with Athena, your ultimate partner on the journey to financial empowerment.